Hi guys. So one situation that most parents face when it comes to flashing of cards is that they are not able to get their child's complete attention to the cards. If you're a parent who is introducing a lot of variety, who is following a set routine and who is flashing cards really fast, but your child is still distracted, then please continue watching. So when it comes to flashing of cards, there are two methods that you can follow. Number one is that you follow your child's attention span. So over here you only show as many cards as the child is focusing on. It could be 5 cards, 20 cards or even more. You can even break the session into two parts. So you do one session in the morning and one session in the evening. But remember to fix the times. For example, you do one set of cards after breakfast and you do another set of cards after playtime. The other method that you can follow is that you do all the cards in one sitting at one go. So you're showing n number of cards, but your child is a little distracted, is moving around, etc. In this particular method, parents tend to get discouraged because they feel that their child is not even looking at the card, so what's the point? So over here what I want to say is that children, they don't need to focus like we adults in order to pick up things. They're learning from their environment all the time and they're utilizing all their senses to learn. You would have noticed that your child is picking up things that you're not even teaching them, right? It's the same with flashcards. Over here I'd like to share my own personal example. So I consider myself lucky if my child is sitting through the whole session. Most of the times he's distracted, he's moving around. But what I've noticed is that even though he's not looking at the cards, he knows what I'm showing him and he's saying those words. Also, what I've seen is that many of my clients say that even though their child was not paying active attention, they were still able to recall what was being shown. So guys, don't underestimate the power of your little one's brain, okay? And they are capable of much more than we give them credit for. Just keep on doing the good work.